Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial, how to change dimension. So I will create new design and can create a rectangle. Use pull tools to convert into 3D. Now in here I will create dimension. You can go to detail and then use the dimension tools. I will select up this face and we create the dimension in here. The next, you can right click in here, click set as annotation plane, and we create dimension in this edge. Now, if you want to change dimension from these objects, you can use the pull tools. Like I will go to design and then click pull. Now we can select face in here, click, and you can see the dimension will be automatically changed. And you can set, like I will set into 5 for the additional dimension. Press enter to apply. So the dimension will be changed into 13. So I will click again at this space, move into here, and I will set into 10 points. And the dimension will be set into 21. You also can click and then move into these points, we set into 5, and press enter again. The dimension will be changed into 16. So to change the dimension in this Spaceclaim, you can use the pull tools. Okay, that's it for basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial, how to change dimensions. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.